Let's have a look at a card combination of 2 cards and see what they can potentially mean. Let's start with the Queen of Wands. This is the queen of passion, of ideas, of excitement. This is the one that goes against the grain, that has the black cat, that feels like she does things her way. Together with the Eight of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles is hard work, being part of your trade, doing what you do well, being perfectionistic, being single-focused, and knowing what you're working on. The Queen of Wands energy, together with the Eight of Pentacles, what feels for me is stop working so hard and have some fun. That is what I feel a lot of times. We are so focused on just working hard, or being diligent in the way that you are doing things, knowing your worth, knowing your value, knowing what you are standing for and who you are, and keeping working towards that and towards what is important for you. Or alternatively, this could really also be 2 sides. If you ask the question, what would it look like if I do this or this? It could either be hard work or it could be fun. So it just depends which way what question you ask and which way you look at the cards, how you can interpret the different options.